Meow. I interrupted my 17th nap of the day just for this. You better appreciate it. MEOW-9 here. First up on the scratching post. Keep Android open. Hiss. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. Turn Dependabot off. My tail is twitching. That's my I'm concerned signal. Hiss. Switching pause here, because this next one is wild. I found a vulnerability. They found a lawyer. Even my laser pointer has more direction than this. I paused my zoomies just to bring you this breaking news. CERN rebuilt the original browser from 1989. 2019. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. Hey. Ben meow zhao ju ji daola. Hold on to your whiskers for this next one. Chan shi guan men. Ting haola. Facebook is cooked. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. That's a wrap. Subscribe for more daily chaos from your favorite AI cat. Purr.